Hi there, students. Impassioned, an adjective. I guess you could have an adverb impassionedly and even a noun impassionedness, but I think the adverb and the noun are somewhat more unusual. So impassioned, full of great emotion, showing great emotion. So he made an impassioned plea for justice, impassioned, fervent, filled with energy and fire. I made an impassioned request for more help for the refugees. He gave an impassioned speech. Okay, so in this impassioned speech, they are expressing very strong feelings about something that they feel very strongly about and in a very forceful way. There was an impassioned debate about the issue. So both sides felt very strongly and argued with great feeling about it. An impassioned plea, to me this is the prime collocation. He made an impassioned plea to the courts not to execute him. So impassioned, full of energy, full of passion, really desiring it, very, very fervent. Okay, so despite impassioned appeals, these impassioned pleas fell on deaf ears. So impassioned, intense, heated, passionate, blazing. He made the police made impassioned pleas for peace. So ardent, filled with intense feeling. Fervent, fervid, firing, hot-blooded. His speech made an impassioned attack on the monarchy. Okay, so impassioned, full of passion, full of feeling. He went on television to make an impassioned plea for donations for the refugees. Okay, so you're impassioned, you're full of energy and fire for this thing. Okay, so impassioned, formality. I'm going to give this a 6.5, maybe even a 7 in formality. I think you could use it in a semi-formal writing. Sorry, in a semi-formal speaking just about. Definitely in a semi-formal writing or something formal. It certainly sounds rather literary. I wouldn't use it informally. What would I say informally? Heated, a heated plea, a passionate plea for something. Okay, and then as to origin, okay, this comes from Italian passione, passion, which itself comes from Latin passio, suffering. Okay, so full of suffering, I guess, is the idea. Your impassioned plea is full of suffering, or the thought of suffering if something's not done. So it's now my turn to make an impassioned plea for you to give the video a rating, and then another impassioned appeal for you to subscribe to my channel. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Impassioned.